Hey everyone, this is Danny with Motivational Wellness at motivationalwellness.com. I'm a wellness coach, body image consultant, and motivational speaker. So yesterday was Thanksgiving. Hope you all had a great Thanksgiving. This has been especially just truly grateful Thanksgiving for me. It's been a lot going on for this past 9 months. As you all know, or as if you possibly don't know, I went through a transition in my life where I had a brain surgery about 9 months ago that was potentially going to change my life, and it truly did in a lot of different ways. So I'm totally grateful for so many different things, in the way that the surgery worked, in the ways that the surgery didn't work, um, in the friendships that I was able to establish. So I just want to say that even though things don't always go the right way, you always need to be thankful for all the things that have or haven't happened, because those are the things that make you a true person, true to yourself, true to others. Being thankful for all the things, not just for the good things, but also for the bad things, because you learn from the bad, and that makes you excel, because you learn from your mistakes. So be thankful, be happy, be healthy, and smile. Have a great day, everyone. Bye bye.